Welcome to the School of Education at La Sierra University. The School of Education is more than just teacher preparation. It's actually home to two major areas: teacher education and the Department of Behavioral Health. So no matter what path you're on, the focus is the same: working with people, focus on growth, and making a difference where it actually matters. The Department of Behavioral Health is one of the strongest and most established parts of the School of Education. Programs include school psychology, school counseling, mental health, sports and performance psychology, and BCBA certification. Classes are small, faculty are very hands-on, and students often have the opportunity to study outside of the classroom, like our urban agriculture class. Welcome to La Sierra's Community Garden. This is one of the many places students can engage in hands-on learning about the environment and about what it means to care for our earth. One of our classes, Urban Agriculture, actually meets here every week where they can practice developing the garden and practice sustainability.